So Alice, we have these beautiful pots right by the front door, but they have been empty for years.
Years.
Mm-hmm.
We're going to do something about that. What happened? How come?
We just couldn't decide, honestly. It just seemed like such an important decision, such a statement location, and you know, life just happens. But I went on fastgrowingtrees.com, I looked at all these options, and did you like what I sent you on the wish list?
I loved your wish list. So I love the idea of an evergreen in each pot. We'll frame the door very nicely, very nice entryway with an under planting of Vinca vine, because that will spill over the pot. So you have something, you need something with volume over here, some height.
Yes, that sounds perfect, perfect, perfect. So
Good.
We just need to get the delivery.
Exactly.
Delivery guy's here.
Wonderful timing.
Here we go.
Perfect.
Let's see what we got.
Let's see what you got.
Yay. Finally gonna get those pots filled.
Good.
Great
good.
shape.
All right, let's unpack and stack. Here we go.
These are gonna look so nice hanging over.
Very nice.
Let's get started.
So we plant this one in the center, and then we're going to plant the Vinca vine around it, and that will fill in over time, and that gives us really nice droop. Edges a little bit, and then we're going to mulch
Put a little
them.
mulch in. I cannot believe that my wish list from fastgrowingtrees.com has actually come to fruition. It looks amazing.
Thank you so much, Alice, for all of your help. You helped us transform the whole front of the house.
Well, it was easy. Fabulous product, so it looks great. And I will be back again in 2 weeks, and we'll take a look how things are doing then.
Awesome.
Okay,
Thank you,
thanks,
Alice. Thank you
Alice.
so much.
Looks great, huh? What do you
Wow.
think of these guys? Finally, we have something in the pots.